Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to look at how to narrow and filter your search results in OneSearch so that your searches can be more precise and so that you spend less time sorting through tons of results that may be irrelevant to what you're looking for. On the Bakersfield College homepage, click the magnifying glass and type library to go to the library's homepage. Click the first result. And once you're here, you can either click the Research tab or scroll about halfway down the page to find Books and More with OneSearch. Click this. On the OneSearch homepage, before proceeding, you're going to want to make sure that you sign in so that you can fully access all the resources and tools. Now, to perform an advanced search, click the Advanced Search button. Here, you can combine terms and also apply filters to narrow your results by material type, language, or even a publication date range. You can also add new search lines to continue combining more keywords. For example, if you wanted to search for the term education humor and classroom, this will combine both search terms and retrieve results that contain education humor and classroom. Click the search button, and this is all the results for education humor and classroom. If you want to limit that even further, you can choose journals, books, articles, images, and more. You can also choose your language, and if you're looking for a specific date range that you want your results to come from, you can set the year for, let's say, 5 years is a good rule of thumb. So let's do 2020 until 2025. And now, as you can see, the results are much fewer than the first time around because we narrowed our research. Additionally, there are more filters on the left side of the results page. For example, if you only want sources that are available online, you can click Available Online. If you only want your results to be from peer-reviewed journals, you can also select that. If you're looking for a particular subject, you can check as many of those as you would like as well. If you're looking for a particular author, resource type, if you want an article, a dissertation, a review, a book, so on and so forth. In order to apply all the filters, you want to make sure that you actually click the Apply Filters button. Otherwise, it will not carry over. And here, you can see we narrowed our results even further. And if you want more details on the particular resource, you click the title page. It'll tell where you can access it, either available online or download PDF, or directly at where it is hosted. And there is additional material about the document here, such as a description, usually the article abstract, the publication information, the authors, and the title. And that is how you perform an advanced search in OneSearch, which will make it a lot easier and more efficient for you to perform your research without having to sort through tons of material that might not be relevant to what you're looking for. Thank you very much, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or any other friendly BC librarian.